We spend so much of our lives battling gravity. We sit, stand, walk, and run, constantly working against its downward pull. But what if we told you that embracing gravity, even for a few minutes a day, could unlock surprising benefits for your body? The act of hanging, just letting your body dangle freely, can be a game changer for your health. Think about our primate ancestors, swinging effortlessly from branch to branch. This natural movement, often lost in our modern lives, offers a unique way to decompress the spine, engage muscles, and improve overall well-being. In a world of high-intensity workouts and complicated fitness routines, hanging stands out as a refreshingly accessible and effective practice. It's about reclaiming a fundamental movement pattern with profound effects on our physical form. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just looking for simple ways to improve your well-being, get ready to discover the power of the hang. To understand the magic of hanging, we need to grasp the concept of traction. When you hang freely, gravity gently pulls on your body, creating space between your vertebrae. Imagine a string of beads representing your spine. When you hang, the beads spread out, relieving pressure and allowing for decompression. This decompression is essential for maintaining a healthy spine and can even alleviate back pain caused by compression. Hanging also engages a variety of muscles, many of which are often neglected in our daily lives. Your grip strength is challenged as you hold onto the bar, your shoulders and back muscles work to stabilize your body, and even your core muscles engage to maintain stability. This full-body engagement strengthens muscles you didn't even realize you had, promoting overall stability and resilience. Hanging encourages the natural elongation of the spine, counteracting the effects of prolonged sitting and poor posture. It's like giving your spine a much-needed stretch, allowing it to reset and realign. Let's delve deeper into the specific muscle groups that benefit from hanging. Firstly, your grip strength gets a significant boost. This might seem trivial, but grip strength is a crucial indicator of overall health and longevity. Just a few minutes of hanging each day can significantly improve your grip strength, making everyday tasks like carrying groceries or opening jars feel effortless. Moving upward, hanging targets your shoulders, particularly the muscles responsible for pulling your shoulders down and back. By strengthening these muscles, hanging helps to improve shoulder mobility, reduce pain, and promote a more upright posture. Beyond the shoulders, hanging activates your core muscles, the powerhouse that supports your spine and stabilizes your body. This functional strength translates to improved balance, stability, and reduced risk of injuries. Think of it as building a strong foundation from which to move with ease and grace. For many, the most profound benefit of hanging is the relief it offers from back pain. Hanging creates traction in the spine, decompressing the vertebrae and relieving pressure on discs. This decompression can be particularly beneficial for individuals who spend long hours sitting or standing, as these postures can compress the spine and lead to pain. Moreover, hanging strengthens the muscles that support the spine, including the erector spinae muscles that run along the length of your back. These muscles are essential for maintaining proper posture and absorbing shock, protecting your spine from injury. By strengthening these muscles, hanging helps to prevent future back pain and improve overall spinal health. It can also improve your range of motion in the spine, allowing you to bend, twist, and reach with greater ease. Imagine moving with a newfound fluidity and grace, your spine supple and responsive. Beyond strength and posture, the ripple effects. The benefits of daily hanging extend far beyond muscle strength and posture. This simple practice can have a ripple effect on your overall health and well-being. Improved circulation from hanging can boost your energy levels and leave you feeling more alert and focused throughout the day. Furthermore, the deep breathing often associated with hanging can have a calming effect on the nervous system, reducing stress and promoting relaxation. As you hang, focus on your breath, inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. This mindful breathing practice can help to quiet your mind, release tension, and promote a sense of tranquility. Imagine feeling the weight of the world lift from your shoulders as you surrender to the gentle pull of gravity. Across the globe, individuals are incorporating daily hanging into their routines and reaping the rewards. From seasoned athletes to desk-bound professionals, people are discovering the transformative power of this simple practice. Take, for instance, Sarah, a writer who spends hours hunched over her computer. Plagued by chronic neck pain and stiffness, she was skeptical when she first heard about the benefits of hanging. But after incorporating just 5 minutes of hanging into her daily routine, she noticed a significant difference. "My neck pain has decreased dramatically," she says. "I feel taller, more open, and my posture has improved noticeably." Then there's John, a retired teacher who credits daily hanging with keeping him active and pain-free. "I used to suffer from lower back pain," he shares, "but since I started hanging regularly, the pain has subsided, and I have more energy than ever." John's story is a testament to the fact that hanging is for everyone, regardless of age or fitness level. Just a few minutes of hanging each day can make a world of difference. Ready to experience the benefits of hanging for yourself? Incorporating this practice into your daily routine is easier than you might think. You don't need any special equipment, just a sturdy bar or branch that can safely support your weight. Start with short hangs, even just 10-15 seconds, and gradually increase the duration as you feel your grip strength and confidence grow. Aim for a total of 5 minutes of hanging throughout the day, breaking it up into shorter intervals if needed. Listen to your body and stop if you experience any pain or discomfort. You can also experiment with different grip variations, such as overhand, underhand, or neutral grip, to target different muscle groups. To make hanging more engaging, try incorporating it into your existing workout routine. The key is to find what works best for you and make hanging a sustainable part of your daily routine. Even a few minutes of hanging each day can yield significant benefits over time. While hanging offers a plethora of benefits, it's crucial to approach this practice with a sense of awareness and respect for your body's limitations. If you have any pre-existing conditions, particularly those related to your shoulders, elbows, or wrists, it's best to consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional before incorporating hanging into your routine. They can assess your individual situation, advise on appropriate modifications, and ensure that hanging aligns with your overall health goals. Some discomfort or muscle soreness, especially in the initial stages, is normal as your body adapts to this new movement pattern. However, sharp pain is a clear indication to stop and reassess. Gradually increasing the duration and intensity of your hangs will allow your body to adapt safely and effectively, minimizing the risk of injuries. By listening to your body and practicing hanging responsibly, you can reap its numerous benefits while prioritizing your health and well-being. In a world obsessed with complicated fitness routines and expensive equipment, hanging stands out as a refreshingly simple and effective practice. By embracing the hang, we're not just strengthening our muscles and improving our posture, we're reclaiming a natural movement pattern that has been lost in our modern lives. The benefits of daily hanging extend far beyond the physical realm. It's a practice that promotes mindfulness, encourages body awareness, and fosters a deep connection with our physical selves. As you hang, feel the gentle pull of gravity, notice the sensations in your body, and allow your mind to quiet. Incorporate this simple practice into your daily routine and experience the transformative effects for yourself. Remember, the journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, or in this case, a single hang.